One of the biggest challenge that people face in life and business is about managing the money. Because they are not able to manage the money, they are not able to create the wealth. Now think about this. If you can manage the money well, you'll be able to create a lot of wealth as well. And this is what we are going to talk. We are going to talk about the foundational principle and the five elements. How do you actually better manage your money so that you can create the wealth? Hi, my name is Rakesh Rana. I'm India's first growthpreneur mentor. And if you're watching this video, just subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive this valuable lessons in your life and business in your inbox. So let's start with the foundational principle. The foundational principle of managing money is this, that managing self is more important than managing the money. Now think about the stock market, think about the life. Your greed and the fear are driving you. And in either of the cases, you're not able to manage the money that you have got. Despite having decades of experience, couple of decades, 3 decades of experience, where people are spending so many years in actually earning money, they are not able to create the wealth. And this is one of the reasons that they are not able to manage self, and that is the reason they are not able to manage money. Now let's talk about how do you actually manage self. So 5 key elements around it. Number 1 is understanding what do you want in life. Now most of the people are actually not aware what they want in life. Forget about the business. Business, they start with the intention to make the money, but they do not know what is that they want from the business itself. And if you do not know, then it is very difficult to create the wealth that you want. So let's say somebody says that I want to build $1 million business. That makes more sense than just I want to build the business. Okay. Now the second element is you need to understand that in order to achieve what you want, what is the impact or the value that you need to do. Now this is a principle of universe where you need to receive something. In order to receive something, you need to give something first. And if you are not ready to give something, it is very impossible. Now, you might be saying, yeah, I am ready with my product, services, and so and so. Yes, but you need to understand what that product, service, and so can impact the lives of people. If you can make that out, then it is easier for you to understand how can you build that business around that product or services. Now, number 3, why do you want to do it? Because if you want to achieve certain goals in your life, certain aspect of your life that you want to have, where managing money becomes a critical, important aspect of it, let me ask yourself, why do you want to do that in the first place? Because if your underlying purpose is missing, most of the time that managing money doesn't become the priority. Then it becomes the incidental. When it becomes incidental, people don't make that active efforts to manage money and creating the wealth. And that is the reason you need to understand that what is the underlying purpose? Why do you want to do it? Number 4 is that what is the vision and the passion that is driving you? Most of us are driven by a goal. A goal is a very shorter version of the bigger vision that you are really targeting. If you do not have this, these goals will keep changing. You will actually change the goals basis the circumstances and the difficult challenges that you might be facing in your life or the business. And this is the reason you need to understand that how can you have a vision which is an eternal representation of all the goals that you have defined for yourself and your business that can actually combine towards that vision. And what is driving you for that? That is number 4. And number 5, which is the most critical one, is that are you ready to pay the price in terms of your time, effort, and even money? Now, why do you need to pay the price? Nothing in this world has come free. Yeah, You need to pay the price in order to build something. If you want to build a million dollar business, and if you're seeing that I'm not going to put any efforts, then it is your wish list, and you can have that wish list. Everybody has that. But if you are very serious about building that business of $1 million, then you need to understand that what is the price you are ready to pay. In terms of time, are you putting in enough time? In terms of efforts, are you putting in enough actions around it? And in terms of the money, that is, are you actually investing on yourself to become that person who deserves that kind of wealth? Now, if you can actually manage yourself using these 5 elements, let me tell you, managing money will become a cakewalk. And this cakewalk has been executed by so many successful people. Why do you think that Jeff Bezos is running a $1 billion empire? So is Elon Musk, so is Mark Zuckerberg, so is Bill Gates. Are they actually special people? Not really. But they are driven by managing self, and that's the reason they are able to manage the money as well. So if you like this video, please comment below which element that you are missing in order to manage yourself and ultimately manage your money. If you can identify, just put in the comments and I'll be happy to help you in that. How can you manage yourself and build that wealth for yourself? If you like this video, share it with others, and please do subscribe to the channel if you have still not done, and hit the bell icon to see you in my next video. Till the time, take care and God bless.